So right here is thermal paste. This thermal paste is used for putting, basically you put paste between two metal objects in order for the heat to be transferred very quickly. So it will be on top of this processor right here. It's going to be right here. So let us add the thermal paste. Just want to put a little bit. There we go. So then afterwards, I'm going to find some type of, I don't know, anything, like for example a straight piece of paper or something, so we can straighten out that thermal paste. So see over here, and just lay it out on the CPU, just like this, just like arts and crafts in a way. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but you know,